So in this video, I will show you step by step how to change Microsoft Edge region. So let me show you step by step. First up, open up your Microsoft Edge. After you open the Microsoft Edge like this, so click on this settings gear icon at the top. After you click on the settings gear icon, so from there it will give you this option here. It says region and language. So click on this option. After you click on this option, so from there it will give you different languages and their region. So any language you choose, it will give you the content from that region. It will use your Microsoft Edge browser for specific that region that you choose. So if you scroll to down, as now there is different region. So you just go ahead now and choose the one you want to use. So let's say I want to use like UAE, that's United Emirates. So now all my browser will start using the UAE content for me. And that's it guys on how to change region on Microsoft Edge. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. We'll meet in the next one.